can see, Kelly, Michelle, and Beyonce likes them some watermelon, y'all. Don't forget to tap in and like and subscribe, and please turn those notifications on for more, y'all.